campers. We've got a little bit of an adventure today. Oh, I actually need to check something real quick now. No, you know what, we'll just do it the way that the thing wants me to. Let's swing out a little bit to this side because there's a car on the inside of this turn that we do not want to hit.
150 feet ahead, turn left on Route 388 West, then turn right.
Right now, I think he's just stopping to go in and get his receipt and stuff. Okay. Alright, so we've got a reasonable load finally. Something we can totally do. We just have to get set up to pick it up tomorrow morning, which honestly, we really needed a kind of a day of downtime. This is a really good way for this stuff to work out, where between loads you wind up not picking something up for like the first 24 hours.
200 feet ahead, turn right on ramp to I-85 North.
Because in situations like this, we were already kind of low on our 70, so this let us pick up a little more recap time.
0.2 miles ahead, merge left on I-85 North.
And then what we're going to be doing is we're picking up a load tomorrow that's, you know, a quick, solid 400-mile load that we need to be able to do in one shift. So we get to go park near the customer today, knock out the entire deadhead without burning up too much of our clock. Stage near the customer, pick it up first thing in the morning, and run it straight to the delivery in North Carolina.
8.4 miles ahead, take exit 79 and then turn left on US 29 North.
Ding. Alright. 29 North. Where do I know 29 North from? 29 sounds really familiar. But no, our route today is going to be, we're just trying to get up to Highway 431 and up to Gadsden, Alabama. We'll be picking up there tomorrow. We need a trailer washout. The trailer wash at the Petro will be open late tonight, but we'll hopefully be there nice and early because they are an outdoor location, and again, it is thunderstorm season. So yeah, we want to get there before they get hit by a thunderstorm, if they do today, which is 130 miles across rural Alabama. No interstates where we're going. We're going to jump off this interstate, take US 431. 431's concurrent with I-20 for like 4 or 5 miles, and that's all the interstate we'll get once we're off this one. So, yeah.
0.7 miles ahead, turn left on Alabama 50 West.
Okay. Didn't get far. You think Martin's going the same place we are? Probably not. There's a lot of places you can get to on 29. Oh, that light's burning out. Okay. A lot of intelligence to go around here, I see. Glad I got in the left
0.3
lane
miles
early.
ahead, turn left on Alabama 50 West.
Sonic and a Dominance? I like this town. Okay, Highway 50. 431 north. Got it. Alright, 13 miles. That's not bad. I think there was a way we could have gotten to 50 a few miles further back and cut out a little bit of this, but that was probably the better route for a big truck with a long trailer. And we are at Alabama maximum legal pin settings, because I do believe this is one of the states with the 41-foot limit. Not unlike Canada. Heck, I'm just going to refer to that as the Canada limit for now, okay? How's that? Yeah, Canada limit works. This is a little tiny residential area. Oh boy. This turn looks interesting. Alright, we're gonna swing wide for this one. Definitely just took out a branch.
On 2nd Avenue Southeast, then turn right.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
250 feet ahead, turn right on US 431 North.
She almost did not stop. Truck routes. Yay. Need you to go. Oh!
34.5 miles ahead, stay on US 431
Hey.
North as Alabama 48 splits off.
Alright. Big truck in a little town. Mission accomplished. Making my life interesting. That's the truck wash we're going to. They like to advertise over the CB, which that's good. That means they're still open. Hopefully, it might be automated, but probably not.
Miles ahead, turn right on Alabama 759 West.
Alabama 759 West? No, it's Interstate 759 West. Interstate. Ooh, got some low weight limits on the next turn. What's that all about? Wow, I've never seen a separate weight limit for cement mixers. I mean, actually, the weight limit's the same for everything, so I don't know why that sign has so many different kinds of truck on it. The weight limit's 20,000 pounds for everything. On one of the side roads, I don't know which one. Not the road we're on. Separation from pedestrian. Keep it nice and slow on this road. Not much of a curb. Quite a lot of stoplights and a decent amount of pedestrians.
0.3 miles ahead, turn right on Alabama 759 West.
No, it's Interstate 759 West. Interstate. Yeah, it's maybe, I bet it's a state highway for like a mile or something when it's not up to interstate standards or something like that. This is going to be right at the start of it. Gosh, that's confusing. This road's not on my GPS. This is the interstate. Okay. Do.
450 feet ahead, take ramp to Alabama 759 West.
I already did. We're on it. It's here. This is it. This is
5.1 miles ahead, take left ramp to I-59 South.
Okay, I see why this is not considered an interstate for the first couple miles. It is non-divided. And is this officially the interstate now? Because we are at interstate quality suddenly. Divided highway. High speed. Not now, Maxwell. Yeah, this is an interstate right here. All right. 759 West. Let's get the cruise control back on. Oh wait, there's the sign. There's the official start sign. Begin Interstate 759. Woo! We're gonna knock out an entire new interstate on this run. Uh-oh. Orange barrels. Why are orange barrels? Why orange barrels? Why? What is this nonsense? Ooh, cool looking bridge.
0.3 miles ahead, take left ramp to I-59 South.
Like a trestle style. Oh, they just left themselves room to, they left themselves room to continue that freeway if they wanted to. Alright, 759 is over.
0.4 miles ahead, merge right on I-59 South.
Is over. Oh crap, are we coming in? Really? Gosh, why? Why? More speed, Mr. Maxwell.
0.8 miles ahead, take exit 181 to ramp to Alabama 77 South.
More speed. There we go. Understand why they bring traffic in from the left on some of these. All right, next exit.
0.3 miles ahead, take exit 181 to ramp to Alabama 77 South.
25-mile-an-hour cloverleaf. Got it. Oh, half cloverleaf. stop there, but I couldn't tell he'd stopped, so. And at that angle, I was relying 100% on my mirrors.
0.3 miles ahead, turn right on Transport Street, then turn right.
Good signal. Okay, Petro. Oh, caught the pothole. Whoops. Didn't mean to do that. Oh, good, they're open. Good, 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 good.
Ahead, turn left on Transport Street, then turn left.
Alrighty, folks, we've got ourselves a clean trailer. We'll be heading to our next pickup early tomorrow morning. According to Google, they start letting trucks in about 7 a.m., so that's our plan for tomorrow. Just hope they load us fast. I really do. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. My name's Eliodare, AzerAngel17 on Twitch, Xbox Live, and Steam. Drop in and say hi. Let me know if you enjoy the videos by clicking like, subscribe, or leaving comments. I do read all the comments. Also, you can come say hi on Twitter, at Eliodare, no apostrophe. I'm on Twitter all the time. It's the best place to get a hold of me, so that's a cool place. Come check it out. Have a great day.